Yeah, so some games similar to Cards Against Humanity. One is called Serial Killer. It's pretty new, but we just did a playthrough for it, which is basically it's very similar to Cards Against Humanity, except the judge is deciding how a victim is killed. So you have a victim, for example, your cat or the person that blocks you in the shopping mall or the person that smells bad, and then you just select a card, which is a way to kill them, and then the judge will vote on it. So I feel like that is a little bit more personable than Cards Against Humanity because you have a judge with maybe a victim dear to them or someone they don't like, and you can kind of guess what exactly about that person ticks them off. So you put in a certain card for it. Another one, which is actually an older one than Cards Against Humanity, is Apples to Apples. Now, I actually think this game is better than Cards Against Humanity because it's a little bit more vague and the topics are more broad. So you can't get away by just saying, oh, haha, funny, gross card. You actually have to put a little bit more nuance in thinking, oh, this is a topic that this guy's more interested into, or this is a fun twist on this wordplay that he'd like.